Hi, good evening. My name is Siti Shahila binti Nordin, and today I will be presenting my critical analysis and reflection for the intellectual property coursework. For this task, I selected the AI-generated response from ChatGPT as it provided a general understanding of the legal issue but lacks depth, critical analysis, and proper references to authoritative sources. My presentation will highlight the areas where the response falls short, provide counter-argument supported by legislation, case law, and scholarly opinions, and include my recommendations for improving the AI answer. I will also reflect on what I learned throughout this process. Firstly, the AI-generated response from ChatGPT discusses copyright protection for AI-generated works. It introduced this concept of copyright law and the requirement for originality, explaining the works must exhibit human creativity to qualify for protections. It briefly mentions that AI system can create works without direct human involvement and raised the question of whether such works can be owned or protected under existing law. While the AI response offers a clear overview, it remains vague, lacks references to significant legal cases, and does not engage the broader ethical and policy implications surrounding AI and copyright. Upon closer examination, I identified several issues with the AI response. First, the AI does not provide sufficient legal analysis of reference important case law. For example, it fails to mention the Getty image versus Stability AI case, which is highly relevant when discussing AI-generated works and copyright infringement. In this case, Getty Image sued Stability AI for using its copyrighted images to train AI models without consent. This demonstrated the ongoing legal conflict between AI innovation and protection of intellectual property rights. By omitting such critical cases, the AI response lacks the depth necessary for a comprehensive legal analysis. Second, the AI response does not address the concept of originality in detail under UK copyright law, specifically the Copyright Design and Patent Act 1988. Originality is a key requirement for protection. The law emphasizes that a work must reflect a human author's intellectual effort and skill. AI systems, however, operate automatically, raising the question of whether their output meets this legal threshold. The InfoPact International AS versus Danske Techblades Froning case features support this, as the court stated that originality requires an author intellectual creation. Since AI lacks human involvement, its output might not satisfy this requirement under UK law. Third, the AI response does not consider ethical and policy concerns. For instance, AI systems often rely the dataset containing copyrighted works to train their models, as highlighted in the Getty image case. This raised ethical questions about fairness and whether such practice undermines human creator rights. The AI response should have explored these implications, as they play a significant role in shaping future copyright law and policies. Lastly, the AI response does not use strong evidence to support its claims. Legal argument must be backed by primary sources like statute and case law, as well as secondary sources such as academic opinions and journal articles. By relying on broad statements without evidence, the AI argument appears weak and unconvincing. However, to improve the AI-generated response, I will recommend several key changes. First, the AI must include references to authoritative UK legal sources, such as the Copyright, Design and Patent Act 1988 and the InfoPact and Getty Image vs. Stability AI cases. Including these references will strengthen the response credibility and depth. Second, the AI should engage in a more detailed discussion of originality. It needs to critically examine whether AI-generated works can meet the originality requirement under current UK copyright law. This analysis is essential for understanding the legal challenges posed by AI technology. Third, the AI should address the ethical implication of AI systems using copyright material to train their models. It should consider whether this practice is fair to human creators and how policymakers can balance innovation with the protection of intellectual property rights. Including this perspective could show a broader and more sophisticated understanding of the issue. Finally, the AI response should improve its logical structure and clarity. Arguments should flow logically with clear explanation and supporting evidence to strengthen each point. By incorporating this recommendation, the AI response will be more accurate, comprehensive, and persuasive. Reflecting on this task, I found the process to be both challenging and insightful. It required me to critically evaluate an AI-generated response and apply my legal knowledge to identify gaps and suggest improvement. This exercise highlighted the importance of critical thinking, evidence-based arguments, and detailed legal analysis in the field of intellectual property law. One of the key takeaways from this process is that AI tools, while useful, have significant limitations. Although AI can provide general information, it often lacks the ability to engage in deep analysis, apply case law, or consider broader ethical and policy implications. This reinforces the value of human expertise in the legal professions, as lawyers must rely on critical thinking and judgment to navigate complex legal issues. Additionally, I gained a deeper understanding of the legal and ethical challenges posed by AI technology. The increasing use of AI in content creation raised important questions about originality, authorship, and the protection of human creators' rights. These issues are likely to become even more significant as AI continues to evolve, and it will be crucial for lawmakers to adapt copyright laws to address these challenges. Overall, this task has enhanced my research, analytical, and presentation skill. It has also helped me appreciate the complexities of intellectual property law and the need for a balanced approach that promotes innovation while protecting creator rights. In conclusion, I have critically analyzed the AI-generated response, identify its shortcomings, and provide evidence-based recommendations for